There have been some questions about the country simulation project, so I figured this was maybe just the easiest route to answer those. So first, I want to take a look at the syllabus. Which one? I do want to apologize. This was not updated. The fourth edition is what the bookstore ordered. I don't think the third edition is available any longer. If you got the third edition, that's fine. Fourth edition will also work. So I want to scroll down to the country simulation. So here you've got this information. You're going to be working in small groups. You've all been put in small groups now. If you haven't, if you can't find your assigned group or you don't know which assigned group you're in, please email me immediately so we can make sure that you're in a group. You're going to be working in this group for the rest of the semester each week, doing an assignment with them, so be friendly. So again, you're going to be working with Google Docs. I know some of you maybe are not familiar with that. I would say get in there, play around a little bit. Once you figure it out, they're super easy to use, and they just make a whole lot of sense when you're trying to do group work. So for the initial assignment that's due tonight, Wednesday, by 11:59 p.m., your initial contribution to the discussion is due. That is just going to go on your Google Doc. You don't need to turn it in anywhere. You don't need to submit it. It's just going on your Google Doc. When you have your whole conversation, you choose someone to do the final submission that is due on Friday night. That person will take all of the information given, organize it, make it pretty, and then turn it in on Blackboard under that specific assignment, okay? I want to click on this link and show you the specifics for your guidelines for the posts. So again, here are all your requirements. It has to be 250 words long. It should have a scholarly source. You can use your textbook if you have to. It's not my favorite, but I understand, especially first week. It's all good. But, in future, I hope you will look to at least other sources, CDC, WHO, USAID, whatever. All right, so here's the important stuff that people have been struggling with. Your initial comments, your initial post is due tonight by 11:59. Then, once those are all done, you're going to get together, figure out who's going to submit, organize the posts, and then one person is going to submit to Blackboard by Friday at 11:59. I know there was some confusion with the Google Doc, and I do apologize for that, but we did get those updated. So each week you're going to have a prompt. All of them are listed, weeks or modules 1 through 8. You're just doing the first part right now. Don't worry about the rest. That is for the future. It's just an easy space for you to have your discussion and keep things clean and organized. So you should be able to go to your group. And mine's going to look a little bit different, obviously, since I have all of you. But we'll just go to group 1, because why not? So we'll go to, your shared Google Doc. And so this is the original. They've been showing and sharing. They use the word homies, which brings me joy. And they've gone exactly right. Please use different text colors when you're in your discussion, so I can tell who has contributed and who hasn't. This is how you're going to be graded for the first part. So hopefully Sorry. There we go. So this is the new document that we have created. Again, just to kind of clean things up. So here you'll put your country name here. You'll put all the group members' names in there. Here you have your description of your country, and then you will insert all of this information. And this is your module 1 where you'll have your discussion. If you haven't done it on the separate sheet, that's fine. First discussion is fine. If you did it on the old one, that's I get it. But from here on out, for module 2, here is where you will have your discussion, and here's where you will put in your research links and sources and so on, all throughout the rest of the modules, which will take us through the end of the semester. The whole idea is that this will be the basis for your final project, where each of you will be writing a country evaluation based on your fictitious country. Okay, I hope that this was helpful. If you have any further questions, please let me know. Again, initial discussion is due tonight, and then a final discussion submitted by one group member is due on Friday. All right, good luck. Have a great day. Bye.